If you want to cancel Uber ride in 2024, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your Uber and you can go ahead and click your activity, and it says right here you have no upcoming trips, but if you do, just go ahead and click your trips and you're gonna see your location and you're gonna see the car heading to your location, right? And they're gonna pick you up at in 7 minutes or 8 minutes or 10 minutes, right? And you're gonna see under it the right details, and next to it you're gonna see three dots like meet at the pickup point, right? And you're gonna see next to it three dots. Click on it and you're gonna be able to see an option to cancel that trip or cancel that ride, right? Okay, and then you're gonna follow along to cancel that trip without paying any fee or any cancellation fee, right? And you can of course tell them the reason why, and you can skip that step of course, and now you just deleted your trip. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.